Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to start a competition in the fitness app on your iPhones. So if you have an Apple Watch and a friend also has an Apple Watch as well, you can start a competition with them to compete through your fitness goals and journey. Now, it's very easy to do this. You just want to go over to the fitness application and open that up. And once you're on the fitness application, you want to go to the bottom right corner where it says sharing and click on that. You will then be greeted with this screen right here. It might say get started for you if you haven't used it yet. So you just want to click on get started and then you'll be brought with this screen right here. Now, all you have to do is go to the top right corner and click on the plus icon. It will then show you who you're currently sharing with if you already are, or if you want to invite people, you can go ahead to the top right corner, click on the plus icon, and then type in the name of the person that you want to invite to your fitness application. Once you have them added on your fitness application, all you have to do is click on their name, and then you will see an option that says compete with right here. So if I wanted to compete with my friend right here, I can go ahead and click on compete with, and then it will let me know that I'm inviting them to a 7-day competition. So if I wanted to go ahead and do this, I click on invite, and then it will send them a notification to either their phones or their Apple Watches. Now, what you need to do to accept the invitation is just come to the same portion that we're on right here in the sharing tab on the fitness application. And then if you go to the plus icon at the very top, there will then be here a couple of invitations of people that have sent them to you. So if you have any pending notifications here, it's just showing you who's invited you to competitions. You can go ahead and accept them or decline them, totally up to you. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to start competitions on the fitness applications on your phones. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.